It's interesting how we sat on the desk the day of the Apple event and we said, you know what, this is just a thinner phone. What's the big deal? And then the narrative has sort of changed here. And I'm just wondering if you agree with that change.
I'm a little surprised, actually. I figure, so you're talking about, all right, they don't need to build it in-house, but they know they need it, right? So why wouldn't you wait till they have it to get a phone that incorporates it?
It's Friday afternoon. Can I throw a flag on Karen, who brought the guest back? He brought the guest back.
Oh, we're not supposed to do that?
Guest? I don't know. He's sort of, all right, sorry.
It might technically a guest if I collect a paycheck from this place. So.
That's true. That's right. Yeah, we'll let that go.
All right, sorry. Thanks, Tim. You're getting me in trouble with the teacher. Go ahead.
I was never that guy, by the way. It was always happening to me.
I believe you.
It was always happening
to me. Do you think the narrative has changed? It's like all of a sudden Apple's back in the game, innovating, making cool phones that people want.
Well, as the guy on the desk who's long and who've kind of defended Apple for not having to be an AI and that being focused on an install base and being focused on the fact that, if anything, the Craig Moffett argument earlier in the week, which is that we've removed more China uncertainty. They're never going to make major components in the U.S. Mm-hmm. Craig's gone out of his way to say, I'm not gangbusters bullish, but bears have kind of converted. Tim Cook has done masterclass work with the White House. Apple has a cool product. Everybody here on this desk probably has to get a new phone sometime in the next year or two. I mean, mine is barely working. And the fact is they're going to be serving up AI through whether it's Google, Gemini, whether it's Dynamics in terms of partnerships, whether it is their ability to actually do multiple deals. I don't know what they're going to do, but I don't think that we should be surprised that people are finally saying no good news was priced in. That's good for the stock now. Mm-hmm.
Well, a couple things for
Except
Apple.
Carter.
And then we can get to how often are you supposed to replace them? And with 4 kids, they break. I think that I'm getting them sort of they're coming into my household every 3 to 4 months. It's crazy. But anyway, we're on the 3-year anniversary of its relative peak to the sector, right? So that was in September of 2022. The second thing that's important, of course, is that Apple showed a little bit of life over the past month and a half, but it's precious little, right? Off its April low, it's up 38%. The tech sector is up 58%, which leaves the stock still down on the year and 10% below its Christmas peak. Do you fade this move? I think you do.
Well, I'm not really long. So, yes, I agree. I mean, also, I come into valuation. We looked at this very differently, but end up at a similar place. It's expensive. And I don't really see the catalyst. This, to me, was not the catalyst.
Do they have any earnings growth without the buyback? I mean, the EPS is one thing.
When you're buying back at north of 30.
No, but without the buyback, is their net income growing?
Yes.
Barely.
Right, but not in the buyback for a long time was a tremendous thing to do.